Here is how to go from this to this. First, remove the Start-Stop button using a trim removal tool. Then disconnect the enclosure from the connector. We need to unclip 6 clips to replace the Start-Stop button. I have pointed out all the clips here. Then we proceed to unclip all those clips. After that, you need to remove the actual Start-Stop button, which is held in place with 2 clips. Then take a flathead screwdriver or a pry tool to unclip those 2 clips, and the Start-Stop button will fall out of the enclosure. Next, we can install our new blue Start-Stop button. Align the blue button, snap it into place, and reinstall the back part of the enclosure. After that, reconnect the cable and snap the whole enclosure back into its place. That's it. Enjoy your newly upgraded blue Start-Stop button.